Hi everyone, this is Miss Rogers of the Learning Commons, and this video shows you how to find an image via Google Images that's copyright free and how to cite that image using Noodletools. So I have my Google screen open. I like to go to Google Images by clicking Images in the top right corner. My topic is social media and mental health, so I want a picture of someone holding a smartphone. And now I want to limit it to copyright free. So I click Tools, Usage Rights, and Creative Commons Licenses. I have a lot of options to look through. I like this one. So I two-finger tap to save the image, to copy the image, but to cite the image, I click on Visit. Okay, over here in Noodletools, I'm actually going to go back to my projects and show you that I'm going to open up my social media project. I have a bunch of sources already saved here. But to add a new source for an image, I'm going to go to Website and then click on Photo or Image Born Digital. Okay, so now I need the name of the container website. That's right here at the top, Pexels. So I type that in. And then I need the publisher of the site, which is usually at the bottom of a website. But this is one of those websites you can see on the right here, just keeps bouncing me up. So what I'm going to do, let's see, I don't see an About Us here. So I'm going to do a Google search. Publisher of Pexels website. There's my About Us. So I have info here I could look at closely, but this is really what I'm after. At the bottom of the page here, I see the word Pexels, but I don't see any other company name. So Pexels must also be the publisher. So in that case, I'm going to leave the publisher blank. If the name here is the same as the publisher, I leave publisher blank. If I hit the little I, it explains all that right here. Okay, now I need my URL. So I'm going to close that extra one. I'm going to copy my URL, paste it right here. Date of publication. I will tell you, we have two different dates. We have the date the image was created and also the date it was published here. Now, I don't see any date of publication here. I think this will be helpful if you find an image in an article and the article has a date, okay? But I don't find one, so I'm going to leave it blank. Most recent date of access is today. It says, when did you last see this website? So I always just click today. Okay, so now we need the artist name. So on my website, that's right here. So George, and I'm going to copy George's last name. So George, no middle name. There's a last name. If you find an image on a website that uses like usernames, you're going to just put that in the last name. Or if you find a group name, you're just going to put that group name in there. Okay. If you need to add another person, you can. If your image does not list who created it, then you leave this blank. Okay, so type of image, it's a photograph. The title of the photograph is right here, so I'm going to copy that, paste it in. Now, if yours doesn't have a title, that's okay. You are going to make up a description, and then you're going to click Untitled. Okay, so now the date created, the copyright. I didn't see it here or here, but I do see this more info. Oh, and it says when it was taken, April 29th, 2018. So I'm going to enter that date here. Okay, this is an annotation option if I need to use that for a class assignment. Otherwise, I filled everything in. So now I'm going to hit save. And here is my image saved right there. And if I need to do an in-text citation, I can look right there. And so sometimes you will do this on slides. You'll put that underneath the image on a slide deck. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I am here to help.